Hey friends, this is Giant Faith, and today I am going to be working in my Happy Planner on my weekly spread for the week of Valentine's Day. So much fun. I don't know, I'm not a huge Valentine's Day person, but, I'll get into the pink and red and whatnot for kicks. So anyways, I thought I'd use this washi tape, and I found this cute little sloth in the winter book, Buddies for Christmas. So I cut this little ho-ho off, and I'm gonna try and see if we can use him, because I just thought he was so darn cute. And I mean, it's not bad. You can't really tell. You sort of can. Whatever. Making the stickers work for me, and I hate to, I haven't used him yet, so I just trimmed off his head a little bit more. So I'm gonna put on, I'm gonna stick him right there. I'm gonna put the washi tape across really quick, and then we can put him on. So I love all these fun washi tapes. Picked them up at Hobby Lobby, and they have all the different celebrations and holidays and such, and they're just so fun. So I love to use them. I kind of want it to be both the Will You Be Mines. I'm gonna actually line it up a little bit more right now. Okay. Do that again down here. Kind of wish I had done it up there. The things I think about after the fact. So I'm working in a new space, and my lighting isn't 100% yet. So I'm really sorry if you are, if it's a little dark. When we moved, we needed to replace all the lights for my lighting, and they haven't come yet. So as soon as they get here, that'll change. But for now, and also I'm in a room that's way more echoey, but this whole house is not carpeted, and so there really isn't a, wow, let's try this, third time's charm, a super great room for recording in. So again, just kind of going with it. If you want perfection, it's okay, you don't have to stay, because you won't get it here. I am very not perfect, but if you want to hang out with me for kicks, I'm cool with that, and you don't mind everything not being perfect. I love him. He's so cute. Okay, let's see what else I can find. I'm starting to run low on stickers. I thought maybe we'd use those silver hearts, but I want to make sure first that there's nothing cuter. Because I would like to put something here. And I have all the flowers that I might want to use. Let's see if this is out of the memory. This is where I've been getting a lot of my quotes lately. And if there's not something in here, I will look back at my binders. Because those are where my stashes are. Let's see, this is mini seasonal. That's not gonna have much in it. They're getting empty, so I gotta redo those soon. Let's find if I have it still. Quotes. Let's see if there's anything in here. This is one thing I did a while ago, and I don't really love it, if I'm honest. I don't know. Did you separate yours out? Because I thought it would be a great way to do it. And maybe I did it wrong, putting them in the binder. But they're not. Anyways, it is what it is. Okay, what is done in love is done well. It's kind of a weird spot. Alright, now we're gonna throw these silver stickers on. These will be my to-do lists. Put those there. I think those are actually pretty cute little silver hearts. I'm impressed with them. I intentionally put them like floating a little bit, so I know it might look weird, but I'm hoping it'll work out. All right, let's see if we can find a sticker for up here. This might be cute to put on Valentine's Day. You are my fave, or this week, or whatever. Maybe we'll add too much color. I'm gonna leave that there. Too much of a different color, I should say. Looking for a to-do. There we go. Knew they were somewhere. This is out of the Choose Happy from the Happy Planner mini. I actually really like this book. I take a lot out of it. It makes me happy. So why not? And then I would love to put some pink hearts at the top of the week. So I'm going to pull those out of the same mini, just to give a little bit different color at the top, other than the silver hearts. They're cute, but add a pop of color. Cool. So yeah, this is my week for February 14th through the 20th and my Happy Planner weekly spread. Oh no, I love this layout. It's probably one of my favorites. I don't know, it's just easy and works well. And I don't know, I seem to use it the best. You know, they have a lot of great layouts, but this one's probably my favorite. So anyways, thanks for hanging out with me and watching this video. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to hit that red subscribe button. I'd love to see you here again next time. So have a blessed day.